very quick video, and in this video I will give you the complete gist how to find growth stocks through MarketSurge or MarketSmith. It used to be called MarketSmith before, but now it's called MarketSurge. The cost for MarketSurge, I believe, is you may feel it's slightly on the higher side, but it's every penny's worth. It in one screen, it gives you the entire fundamental information of a stock, and you don't need to, if you need to search this information on any other free screen, you will need at least half an hour to search for each of these things given on this screen on one page by MarketSurge. So let's start. Suppose we are looking at a particular stock and we are interested in it, and suppose it is this stock. I double click on it. This is the screen that MarketSurge gives you for this particular stock. So you can either click daily, which is a daily chart, each candle is daily, or it is the weekly chart. Now, the things that I look are on the daily. I will first look for gradually increasing earnings, sales, and gross margin over each quarter. As you can see, it's gradually increasing. Even the sales, it's increasing in the past 2 to 3 quarters, and the gross margin is also increasing. This was mentioned by Mark Minervini, the brilliant trader that he is. This is how he would screen stocks, and I've learned this from him. The second thing I would do is go to weekly. In weekly, the first thing that I need to see is 2023 EPS has to be higher than 2022 EPS, which is in blue, which is positive, which is good. The more important thing is 2024 estimate has to be also a blue number, which is higher than this. This stock is not showing an estimate. Let's click on this one. Let's see if we can get an estimate. Here it is. However, here the problem is 2023 is red. It's a negative number, so I would not take this even though the estimate is in blue, which is an expected higher number. Let's go for Elway. See, this is good. 2023. So the first time this stock showed positive EPS was 2019. From then, 2023 is plus 999%, which is 0.75. Again, a blue number which I like to see, and the estimate is higher, even though the percentage increase is less. Still, the 2024 estimate is higher. This is what I like to see. RS rating is a rating that MarketSurge gives to the entire universe of stocks, and 99 being the highest, the strongest stocks according to MarketSurge, and 1 being the lowest. So this is the highest rating that you can have for a stock according to MarketSurge. I usually look for a high number. Anything above 80 is what would be my cutoff. This is 99, it could not be better. The second thing is a rising RS line. So looking at the RS, this is the RS line or relative strength line. A relative strength in comparison to the SPY or the US market, in simple words. So if the US market is falling, if you have a high relative strength line, if you have a relative strength line which is making a gradual higher low, that means that stock would fall less as compared to the US market. And as soon as the US market turns around, you will see the fastest stock that moves would be a stock with a gradually increasing relative strength line. So this is something that I definitely see, a gradually increasing relative strength line. I don't want a relative strength line which is gradually falling, but the price is going up. That's an indication that it's a weak stock in comparison to the SPY or the US market. The other thing that I like to see is market capitalization. Anything less than, I would say, 15 billion is uh, what I would prefer. Why? Because a stock which has a market capitalization of above 15 billion would find it very hard to move. A stock like Apple, and Apple will move, but it's very difficult for that stock to increase its already high market capitalization. But for this stock, which is 378 million, it is very easy for this stock to gradually reach 1 billion, which of course means that the price in this stock is going to skyrocket for that to happen. So that is why I never look at stocks, I would say, whose market capitalization is already above 15 billion. Those stocks, even though they may move slightly, but percentage wise, it won't be a huge move. The next thing that I like to see is number of funds and ownership. Number of funds means how many funds have this stock in their portfolio, and I like to see this number gradually increasing. If this is not increasing, I don't even look at the stock. So here 39, 48, 64, 68, more the better. But if it's above 3000 in this nearest month, then that means it's looking for a fall soon, and I would not consider it. This is decent, the gradual increasing number. Don't forget, we are just retail investors. When we buy a stock, we cannot make the price of the stock go higher. The only big institutions can make this happen, and the more number of institutions that are buying the stock, the sooner the stock will skyrocket. So I like to see this gradually increasing in number. And also ownership. Here you can see for this stock, 28% of the management owns this stock, which is a very good indication that they believe in what they are doing, and funds are the remaining 23%. The last thing I like to see is this column, which should be completely blue, which is the sales. That means the stock, this company is definitely doing something good. And even though there are few red numbers here in the EPS change, this will make sure that in the future this has a very high chance of success. All these things together, I give me very strong conviction that now I can see my charts on TradingView, the technical analysis for this stock, and decide when to buy this stock. Fundamental analysis on Marketsurge tells me which stock to buy, and technical analysis on TradingView tells me when to buy this strong stock. Hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comments below what more topics you would like me to cover. Thank you.